Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download custom teams in Madden NFL 27. So downloading the custom teams is actually very easy. From the home screen we need to scroll down and go to the creation center. From here select download center. Now inside download center you can find different tabs such as teams, playbooks, sliders, rosters and all of this stuff. So I want to download custom team, that's why go to the team section. From here you can find top downloaded teams and top rated teams. So I want to search for a specific team. For that press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox to search. Now you can search by keywords, username, type or filters. So for the sake of this video I'm gonna download this team. So to download it just select it. After that you can also preview it if you want. So I'll just go with download and then it will start downloading the file inside my game. I'll show you how to use this team in your game as well. Just wait a bit. Once the team is downloaded, just go back from here. Now the only place where you can use the downloaded teams is franchise mode. So go to the top and you should be able to find this franchise. After that switch over to create and load. Select it. Then select create new league. Now here's the important part. If you go with the offline save, then you won't be able to use your downloaded teams. That's why we have to create a multiplayer save. After that select the roster file. I'll just go with NFL roster. Then we can just advance here. Now go over the team which you want to replace. Then press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to replace with the team builder team. Now select the team which you have downloaded. Then it will ask you to use the roster. So if you want to use the downloaded roster, then select the first option. After that the team will be added in your league. You can just select the team like this and proceed with the franchise setup. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.